A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit.
Self-talk, you might not talk for the press, big up yourself. But me hear a brother ask Caution pan a live a question. So what else the Prime Minister could do for curb crime without calling state of emergency? But I am asking you this question. How we not coming up in the election, so everything. Gunman stop analyzing the people, and the security force stop analyzing the people, until Andrew get back him seat and gone back in a power now to do that we did a go on before. Someone want to know, oh, him never curve the crime, and yet him curve in an election. No man, something wrong. See, it come like he have something to do with the analyzing of the gunman them, analyzing the citizen, and the security force analyze the citizen too. Because in Coolong, everything Coolong in an election, when you hear any mass shooting in the Daguan, big up yourself, talk, mine not talk for the press, big up on yourself. My Jamaican people, our mission now on social media, you may said, and throughout the street, is to defend the people of Jamaica out of the hands of Anjonis. This law when passed about water gun. We don't know little picnic to labor, right? We don't know buy water gun, give no little picnic at the Christmas to make them go and enjoy themselves and have little free time. And we sit down quiet to blood clot and make Anjoa kill the young youth them. You see me? The future of tomorrow. You see me? And then in turn pan the baby and suckling now and give them 15 blood clot a year through a water gun. Eh? We don't know say that more important than even depend him life and make money. No. Where is the future for the youth them under this Jamaica Labour Party and Andrew Onison?
A suspect in the drive-by shooting on Tex Lane in central Kingston has been fatally shot by the police. Head of the Area 4 Police, ACP Michael Phipps, has identified the deceased as Joshua Lawrence, otherwise called Sauti. So when you hear that, my people, a suspect in fatal Rose Gardens drive-by fatally shot by police. A suspect not necessarily mean that them do it in Jamaica. I don't really understand these police. They just a grow and shoot everybody. Pure killing a happen. And of them do the most killing in our country. This is ridiculous, man, and this need to stop. You can't just go around and shoot people because you suspects they are the person. Like, seriously. Oh, God. A man was fatally shot by the police at a premises along Whitehall Avenue in St. Andrew on Monday afternoon. He is yet to be identified. The incident occurred at about 3:40 p.m. This is the second fatal police shooting in Jamaica today.
Prime Minister, your statutory declarations have not been certified by the Integrity Commission. The implication of this goes far and wide. Why hasn't it been certified, and does the public have anything to be concerned about?
You would appreciate that this is for the state of emergency.
Well,
and
PM,
so
you don't.
Those are the questions that we're entertaining at this time.
Are you giving?
Do you have questions on the state of emergency for St. James?
Well, PM, we don't see it very often, so.
Please let her answer the question because
Bro, I want to see how long I'm going to take for answer that question. Because when the man say I'm going to answer a direct question, different something.
I think that it is not fair to say that you don't see me often. Because we have met up on several tours and the post-cap, just to be clear, the post-cabinet press briefing is for the ministers and the various portfolios. And I want to be clear that on all important matters, my government does provide the opportunity for information to be dispensed to the public and for our ministers to be questioned. And I'm very happy that the post-cabinet is being conducted routinely and consistently. As it relates to my integrity declarations, I too am concerned that they have not yet certified them. They have written to me asking various questions I have provided answers, and they have written to me again, and I'm in the process of providing those answers. You know, the question is still going to be asked. Are there members of my party who have been written to for this crime of illicit enrichment? My straight answer is that I have asked as far and as wide. I have gotten that response from everyone, but as far as I have been told, no. I will, however, appreciate that it does take some time, and particularly for me, to get 2 or 3 days to go through matters and provide answers. I simply have to be very frugal with my time.
My people, you know say today is Andrew Holness trial. Well, it starts today and it should last for 10 days. My wisdom warriors, I have a piece of attack claps for drop on Uno. Andrew Holness is not an easy guy. If Andrew Holness is not hiding anything Jamaica, if Andrew Holness ain't hand clean and he heart clean, why is Andrew Holness requesting to hide these things from the public? My people, before me reach into the nitty-gritty, hear this.
The Prime Minister's legal team has indicated it will be advancing the appeal in the matter involving Dr. Andrew Holness and the Integrity Commission. The case is again the topic of discussion following developments in the last few days. Kerry-Ann Simpson has details.
On Thursday, Supreme Court Judge Justice Althea Jarrett issued a ruling blocking the disclosure of certain files in the ongoing legal battle between Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness and the Integrity Commission. The lawsuit pertains to the Commission's investigations into Dr. Holness's statutory declarations. In a statement last night, Dr. Holness's attorneys said the court granted the claimant's application to order the IC to provide documents prepared by 3 investigators which are relevant to the investigation. It said in this regard, the court had ordered the IC to search for and disclose those documents if they exist. The team said the claimants had sought disclosure of certain documents that had been redacted in the defendant's earlier disclosures, as well as a forensic report and other material not previously disclosed. It added that in response to a previous written request for disclosure and the subsequent application, prior to the ruling, the IC and the other defendants disclosed the majority of documents requested, including the forensic report and some of the previously redacted material in unredacted form.
Some people wanna know that today Andrew Holness court case and it starts 10 o'clock. The reason why the news media cannot post anything because Andrew Holness matter is in the chambers. Andrew Holness matter is in the judge chamber Jamaica. We not gonna know nothing about this here unless we demand it. That means go out, protest. We have to protest. We demand to see what Andrew Holness is hiding. You say I go take the IC to court because IC I tell lie upon you, and you turn around and request for the judge to make this public. This is ridiculous. You have a 10-day trial. You thief taxpayer money, and we nothing know how the taxpayer money go. All the judge, it judge coming like she a drink mad puss piece. Miss Jarrett, hello, hello lady. Althea Jarrett, what is really happening to you? Andrew Holness request for UNO to make this thing public. My wisdom warriors, the only way this can become public unless the judge make it public or the lawyer make it public. So if we not demand it, my people, we're not going to know nothing about this case. We're not going to know nothing. So he did went to court today, but the media cannot cover it, you understand? Because Andrew Holness requests for it to be a secret, to hide it from the public, to hide it for us. You know see how liberty come through carelessness now? This man thief with money and then go ask the judge. Me think that the judge did stand up and work on the behalf of the Jamaican people. How they ratted all a go on? No. We need to know what is happening. We need to know what is happening, Andrew Holness. The judge, Althea Jarrett, we need to know what is going on. You should never agree with Andrew Holness pan this one here to hide it from the public. That means that the whole of us work together as some here look pan it. That is the only way we can put it, Jamaica. We have to demand it. And I say, when me telling you all the time, if you go protest, all right. I say, like how today now, Andrew Holness have the court case. I say, if you did go there, go stand up and a protest, then at least them that's sitting there, we put pressure upon the judge. Them do something there, we put pressure upon the judge. But if you just sit back, that means that you're all right with everything. We have to demand for this to become public. How can you thief from public purse and turn around and say, you know what we know about this case? This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. And the judge shouldn't strike that down. I am so disappointed in the court system. No wonder why Andrew Holness want the appellate court to be in Jamaica. This is crazy. This is crazy. You can't have a man with thief from public purse. This man was recommended to get charged, and just because the DCP a labor right, she refused to charge Andrew Holness. And then this in a court, and you tell me say, we out here I talk about this every single day, and I depend on this. I need to know the truth about this. And you have Judge Jarrett decided to accept Andrew Holness' request and hide it from the public. Jamaica, we need to stand up now. We need to stand up. We need to go out there in our numbers. We need to go to court. We need to protest against these things. We don't need to protest. Jesus mercy. We're not going to make Andrew Holness get away with everything, so? So they just going to sit down so? Me disappointed in our honor to Jamaica. Me I tell you no. Me can't hide it. Me can't hide it. Me don't know. But we have to demand for this to be public. We have to put pressure on the court system right now. We have to put pressure. You understand me? And me know why you nobody talk about Mark. Mark can't do nothing. Mark Golden try. Why Uno not try do something? Me always hear enough people that talk about Mark. What Mark can do? Mark cannot do anything. Mark Golden always say, when he inform government, this is what he's going to do. And Uno never make him inform government. Nobody no make him inform government. Andrew Holness thief it, and everybody sit down same way. Everybody just long up their face and off vex and off happy. We can't live like that, Jamaica. We have to unite and we have to demand them. And what this woman did is wrong. This judge woman, she should never accept Andrew Holness' request about hiding this rubbish from the public. This is nonsense. This is nonsense. The people, I guess I may go left it. Wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. One love.